More than 150,000 people in Wisconsin have a stake in a landmark lawsuit.
Wisconsin lawyers filed a massive class action lawsuit in federal court today. They're trying to overturn an eligibility ban in the state that stops disabled people from getting unemployment benefits. Our Naomi Coles joins us now to explain. Naomi?
The vast majority of people on disability benefits in Wisconsin also have a part-time job to help supplement that income. But if they lose that job, they aren't eligible for the unemployment benefits that someone else in their position might be entitled to. Republicans back in 2013 called it double dipping and outlawed that with a state law. Now this lawsuit is seeking to overturn that ban. It's a ban that's one of only 2 in the entire country.
It's not just me that's suffering. There's thousands of people that need help.
John Ferriosi is one of 8 plaintiffs, disabled and working part-time for at least the last 6 years.
Pretty bad arthritis in my hip, back problems. I've had 2 neck fusions, forearm surgery on both arms.
He got laid off from his part-time job during the pandemic and still hasn't seen the unemployment benefits payout that he was approved for.
I still haven't gotten any.
How has this been impacting you financially?
It's not helping, let me tell you.
In 2020, the state first told disabled people they weren't eligible for pandemic unemployment assistance. Then they reversed course. But the reason that happened in the first place is because Wisconsin is one of just 2 states that has a blanket ban on disabled people from getting regular unemployment benefits.
There's no rational explanation for this ban other than to discriminate against the disabled.
The lawsuit seeks to invalidate the law and pay people on disability benefits who lost jobs over the last 6 years that they were due. That could be thousands of people, as there's more than 150,000 in Wisconsin currently who supplement their disability benefits with a part-time job.
This class action lawsuit gives disabled workers in Wisconsin a chance at the justice they deserve, to be treated fairly like any other worker in our state.
Plus, attorneys are seeking a temporary injunction to stop the ban until a judge decides the case.
The ADA, the Rehabilitation Act, and the Due Process Clause of the United States Constitution says those workers are to be treated like every other worker. To treat them differently is treating them differently because of their disability. In other words, it's disability discrimination.
Now, I have reached out to the state and leading Republicans in the legislature for comment. Last year, Democrats in the legislature tried to introduce a bill that would have fixed this issue. Also, the governor, in his most recent biennial budget, also tried to include a fix. Republicans later removed it. You can find more details right now about this lawsuit online at channel3000.com.